Voi am Hezron Kimari.
Kenyan lawmakers have highlighted renewed commitment to immunization financing with the goal of securing sustainable domestic funding for immunization as Kenya prepares for the Global Vaccine Alliance. The parliamentary engagement that brought together members of parliament from key committees to deepen their understanding of the Istanbul Code for Action declaration made earlier this year by legislators from Africa, Asia and Eastern Turkey, calling for sustainable domestic funding for immunization efforts.
We are asking the Ministry of Health to lead on the way so that they can provide a structured approach in terms of health policy negotiations with our donors, that which way is better. Is it an abrupt ending of support?
We still have to really journey in terms of having targeted interventions to capturing these zero-dose children, having very intentional objectives to have a functional transition committee to help the country in terms of having a multi-sectoral coordination between the Parliament, the Ministry of Health, the National Treasury and other key players including the civil society.
All right, and with that story, that's all we have time for right here on News Desk. Thanks for keeping company. Miresha Awiti has been with us on sign language. Have a wonderful rest of the afternoon. Enjoy your viewing. My name is Nduako. Good afternoon.